Yes, my good people, welcome again to my channel. And of course, it's Cyprian TV here, and thank you for 81,000 subscribers. And kindly, if you're new here, consider subscribing so that you be one of the family. And today, I just want to update you concerning late Kiptum from a Doret. And as you can see, there are people there trying to work hard so that they can finish the work. And for those people who are not understanding maybe what's really going on, as you can see, they are building a 3-bedroom house for honorable late Kiptum. So guys, most of you know it was involved in a road accident, but the family has refused to accept the report from the hospital. But guys, all we can say, let his soul rest in peace. And for those viewers who don't know about Kiptum is the only son in the family, and the dad, we saw him crying with a lot of pain. But what I'm going to request our fans, guys, let's pray for this family. It's painful, it's too emotional for a family to lose a loved one. For those people who have lost the loved ones, they know how painful it is. But guys, that's where we are heading to. That's where we will go, all of us. Ask yourself, when your day comes, where will you be found? When your day comes, what have you done to other people? When your day comes, how will your day look like? Anyway, guys, for those people who don't know Kiptum'S home, let's have a look on this video so that we can learn more. And I know maybe God willing, we are going to stream live. So tell a friend to tell a friend and put a notification bell so that you get notified once we go live or once we post the end video, so that you enjoy with us. And for those people who have been supporting our charity work, may God bless you. For those people who have been supporting Mama Ashley, may God bless you. May your family never lack. And for now, guys, I'm gonna say thank you so much. Let's watch and see what went on.
Hello people, how are you doing? My name is Zarok Thomas, and today I'm bringing you live events from the village where Kiptum, that legendary marathoner, will be raid. So this is just a village. This is just a preview of the way for those who are planning to attend this funeral. You can see how things are in this particular village. Just see it's so silent and somber mood is everywhere, as you can see. Yeah, so this is kind of an isolated village, I think, in Eldoret, that is Washington County, and this is actually where the rich hide in these areas, because we can see vast pieces of land, as you can see. Yeah, from one village to another, or rather from one neighbor to another, is a little bit so distant. Yeah, because these are some of the areas where we actually still have some parcels of land, as you can see. So yeah, for whoever is looking for land, I think if you ask these areas, if you come to these areas and ask about where you can buy land, I think you cannot fail to get this particular area. Yeah, so it's like just some 5 kilometers from the highway that is going to there's another, I think, ravine. Yeah, so off that road you branch, and then you go 5 straight kilometers, and you will get to this place where the legendary Kiptum will be laid to rest. So we felt lucky because I think not everyone gets a chance to cover this kind of stories. So keep locked or keep tuned to Posho TV, because we're gonna be bringing you lots and lots of news. Because we have decided to camp in this village from day 1 right to the last day. Yeah, so we still have a distance to go. That's where we are heading to. As you can see, everything is okay in this area. It's a scarcely populated area. You can see people are so peaceful. Yeah, yeah. So that's how. There we go. And I don't know the plan of the government, because this road that is heading to. Yes, so here we still go. It's a little bit a distance. So the plan of the government of making this road I think I don't know which magic will be used because the burial will be on Saturday. The body will come from the mortuary in the CBD of Eldoret. That will be, I think, on Thursday. Yeah, so they're scratching the kind of scratching this road. I think they have some plan with this road because if it rains in this area, then this road will be impassable. And bearing in mind that we will have high profile government officials and also some top-notch leaders from Melgeyo Marakwet who will be here, and they're supposed to follow this route and they cannot walk on foot. Even you and me knows that. Yeah, so on scratching this road, I don't know what is the plan, because to me, I was here yesterday, that was on 18th, and this road had not yet been scratched like this, and I do believe it was okay, it was passable. So this scratching means maybe we have a plan for the tarmac or something like that. Yeah, so I think when we come here by Friday, something will happen. And keeping in mind this is a legend, maybe tarmac road will do best. Maybe the whole tarmac if the government had some time. Now that we don't have time, and from a inside source told Pasha TV that the construction is supposed to take as short time as possible. Right now today they're erecting walls. It's like I came early in the morning and I did not want to bother people asking them questions, recording every corner. Yeah, so I heard that the walls must be erected today, and here I'm taking you to the site where you'll see everything what's going on. And don't expect much because it's still very early in the morning. It's around 9 p.m. not p.m. Rather it's around 9 a.m. Yeah, so don't expect so much right here. So here I'm alighting, and I really want to go into that compound, so I don't know whether I'm gonna be given permission, but let's see. So I think this is where the border riders drop their passengers. Yeah, so from here we have some 500 meters. We're supposed to just walk on foot. It's not a big deal. Very short distance, like 5 meters. Yeah, so here is the construction. This is where what is going on. I think they have just granted me the permission. We kind of had bureaucracy, and I do understand. I have no offense with that. I was directed to the right person who is in charge of I think they called it public service. Yeah, so I want to appreciate you for giving me this permission. Yeah, so guys, enjoy a view of the construction. This is what is going on, and I think by evening the walls will already be up, and I think the roofing will already have been done. Yeah, so keeping in mind this is Sunday, I think this is a very serious thing. That's why it's going on and on. It's Sunday, and things are going on as usual, which means by Friday I think everything will be okay. So guys, enjoy the view. See you in the next one.